In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subtract shapes in Figma. Subtract is a Boolean operation that works like a cookie cutter. One shape removes material from another to create precise cutouts. This is especially handy for icons, logos, and custom UI elements where you need holes, notches, or negative space. The key idea is order. The shape on the bottom is the base, and every shape stacked above it will carve into that base during the subtraction. Let's start with the most common approach using the subtract tool. First, create two shapes. A simple example is a rectangle for the base and a circle to cut from it. Place the shape you want to remove on top of the shape you want to keep. The top shape does the cutting, so if your circle needs to punch a hole in the rectangle, make sure the circle is above it in the layer order. Now select both shapes by holding Shift and clicking each layer on the canvas or in the Layers panel. With both selected, go to the top toolbar, open Boolean operations, and choose Subtract Selection. Instantly, the top shape cuts through the bottom one. For example, a circle on top of a rectangle creates a circular hole inside the rectangle. Remember, the base is always the bottom layer, and all shapes above get subtracted from it. If the result looks off, it's usually because the stacking order isn't what you intended. Adjust the order by moving shapes up or down in the Layers panel until the correct shape is on top. If you prefer speed, you can do the same with a keyboard shortcut after selecting your shapes. On Windows, press Ctrl+Alt+H. On Mac, press Command+Option+Taj. Depending on your keyboard settings, the shortcut may vary slightly, but the result is the same. The top shape cuts out the bottom one without extra clicks. A few practical examples make this clear. Subtracting a circle from a rectangle creates a donut-like hole for icons or badges. Subtracting a triangle from a square forms a neat notched corner for UI elements. Just make sure the shapes overlap. If they don't, you won't see a visible change. One final tip for working cleanly. Subtraction in Figma is non-destructive, so you can keep refining your design without starting over. It's a flexible way to build complex forms from simple pieces. That's the core of subtracting shapes in Figma. Order your layers, select them, and apply subtract. Use it to craft crisp, intentional negative space throughout your designs.